Today is going to be amazing! Wow, a magic bus? Hello, Zayn. Hi, a talking bus? The one and only. Wow! Can you really travel through time? You bet! Hop in! Wow, let's go! Yes, let's start learning adventure! Yay, I'm ready! Here we go! Wow, science icons!
That's right, they're all yours to explore.
Awesome!
First stop, Healthy Morning.
Yay! I love healthy mornings!
Me too, buddy. Let's go.
Wow, look at the screens!
Ready for liftoff?
Yes, let's go!
Here we go.
Good morning! Time to make my bed. Pull it straight and smooth. Perfect, all done. Brush, brush, brush! Time to comb my hair. Looking good. All clean, time for breakfast. Wow, a healthy breakfast, fruits and milk. Milk makes me strong. Yummy apple. So juicy. I love it. Gotta wash my hands clean. All clean. Thumbs up. Awesome, all clean. Time for the garden. Whoa, what's this glow? Cool, my body map. I see with my eyes. I hear with my ears. I smell with my nose. I speak with my mouth. I hold with my hands. Watch me right hand. See, KG. I walk with my legs. I walk with my legs. Legs. I walk with my legs. Brain helps me think. Heart beats inside me. Wow, it's really pouring, but my umbrella keeps me nice and dry. I love the rain. Wow, it's snowing. Time for my warm jacket. Whoa! Gotcha! Weather changes every day.
Weather changes every day.
Hee, I love the snow. Time to go to school. Is it gone? Wow, a school bus. Whoa, look at that. Hey, you look tired. Need some help? Yeah, these books are heavy. Here, let me take one. Hey, I brought my toy car. Cool, can I see it? Sure, here you go. Wow, thanks, this is awesome. Hey, sorry about yesterday.
It's okay, don't worry about it.
Thank you so much for the awesome car.
You're welcome, buddy. I'm glad you like it. Can I see the car, please?
Sure, here you go. Helping our parents is fun. Yeah, let's go help my mom now. Okay, let's race. Race you to the room. You're on. Okay, let's clean up. Yeah, high five. Remember, we always respect our elders. Right, like helping with chores? Exactly, it shows we care. Cool, let's do it. Whoa, check out this experiment. Okay, doors open. Whee, I'm floating. Look, everything floats, so cool. Let's mix some colors. Red plus blue equals purple. Ta-da, it's purple. Wow, what's that? Let's take a closer look. Whoa, an insect, so cool.
A ball on an inclined plane demonstrates gravity. It accelerates as it rolls down.
Hi, I'm a school bus. See my wheels roll? That's science. My engine uses science too. Science is everywhere.
Hi, friends. What color am I? That's right, I'm a yellow school bus. Thanks for playing.
Yes, I'm ready for school. I can't wait to learn new things today. I love learning. You are a science star. Really? Me? Yes, you, a total science star. Wow, thanks. Bye, Buzz. Flying back home. Whee! This is amazing. Almost home. Wow, look at the sunset. The bus is here. Home sweet home. Bye. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.
Subscribe to my channel.